Metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, or MASLD, is a silent killer, currently affecting 38% of the world's adult population and rising in incidence. MASLD can lead to liver scarring, liver cancer, and liver failure. It's currently impossible to identify which patients with MASLD are at risk of developing clinical outcomes at an early enough stage to intervene and change the disease trajectory.
INTErPRET-NAFLD is a partnership between the University of Edinburgh, Bering Limited from London, BioDev and Precision Medicine Scotland Innovation Centre from Glasgow, and HistoIndex from Singapore. The collaboration was initiated to develop AI-based tools for the stratification of patients with MASLD, allowing the accurate identification of those at highest risk of disease progression. We were the first to be awarded funding to use Steatosite, the Scottish big data resource we created to enable precision medicine research. Our international approach, a unique combination of domain experts in data analytics, NHS AI adoption, digital pathology and clinical medicine, is a truly novel, multi-party collaboration.
Hi, my name is Marc Desmouliers. I am the manager of the Medical Device Manufacturing Center. Medical Device Manufacturing Center aims to help companies accelerating their translational journey from proof of concept medical devices to fully mass manufacturable devices. It's an organization which regroups 5 universities: University of Dundee, Robert Gordon University, University of Edinburgh, University of Glasgow and Heriot-Watt universities. Since April 2020, we have interacting with over 170 companies. We have helped companies getting over 5 million pounds of investments. Companies have access to over 67 services and pieces of equipment. I think the success of the MDMC stems from the fact that we are filling a very important gap in the healthcare innovation landscape in Scotland. It is also due to the very close collaboration with all the universities working together in order to help companies on a day-to-day basis. We are grateful to Scottish Enterprise to have provided us with the funding to help those companies accessing our services free of charge.
The UNITE project is all around supporting offshore wind farm inspection. We're building a lot of offshore wind farms. The structures are fairly new. We need to do a lot of regular inspection of them. To do that with a current vessel is quite carbon heavy. It requires a lot of people, requires a lot of equipment, and you can't do it as frequently as you would like to. So if you can have a suite of autonomous vehicles living in the right area, they can carry out regular inspections, give you much more data about how the wind farms are holding up against the elements. And we have our industry partner, Fugro. We have Imperial College, who are one of the participants in this project. We obviously have our own Heriot-Watt researchers and Frontier Robotics.
What we do on UNITE is contact, manipulation, trying to fix things, which is really the next frontiers before we can really automate a lot of those offshore inspection and repair.
We at Fugro are interested in all remote and autonomous navigation. We believe that it's the key for a safer future where we remove people from harm by operating from a remote location.